Hello guys, I welcome you all to tonight's video. It's another beautiful opportunity for us to be together again. It is the time for the $500 trading tips for trading boom and crash, where we usually analyze the market together, check out the market direction, and of course I always use it as an opportunity to give us trading tips on what to go for whenever we are trading. And we will be doing another edition of it again tonight, okay? But before we go fully into it, in case you are joining me for the first time, I welcome you all to Qora Digital Cash. This is a platform which I used to share with you my ideas on how you can make some cool cash for yourself online, most especially within the forex niche. All you need to do is just for you to take some time to browse through the channel, watch my training videos, make sure you understand every part of the strategies shared in my videos, do your own personal practice and perfect your trading skill first on your demo account before trying them out on your real account. And if you love my videos, can you give me a thumbs up and share with families and friends? And if you are yet to subscribe to this channel, kindly do so right away so that you can be notified whenever I upload a training video like this. So quickly, let's go straight into what we have right here. Okay guys, these are the assets I will be checking out. Everything I will be doing in this video is going to be based on my own personal analysis, trading tools, and the exact time frame I will be using. The performance also depends on when you are seeing this video. If you are not joining me live and direct, then you need to have a recheck on the chart before you can follow up with the trading activities. As for the $500 profit per day, it all depends on your trading capital. The more your trading capital, the easier it is for you to achieve, but you can always grow your small trading capital into something reasonable, okay, so that you too can start making reasonable amount of money right from there. So guys, quickly, let's go straight into what we have right here, starting with boom 1000. Okay guys, let's go straight into it. This is boom 1000, and boom 1000 had been on a very strong downtrend, got to this support zone, pulled back, and of course went back there to break out below that support zone, and of course it has been selling since then, and it is still selling at the moment. Okay, so you need to take note of that. Okay, it is still selling at the moment, so this is going to be giving us more of a selling opportunity than a buying opportunity. So the next asset is going to be boom 500. Let's check it out right away. This is boom 500. It had been on uptrend for a very long time, but was unable to break out above this resistance zone. So if it's unable to break out above that, then we are most likely to see a sell trend coming up from there, most especially once it breaks out below this. So we need to wait for the breakout. It should either break out above it or below it, so we need to wait for that. Okay, so whichever way it will give us the right direction on where to go to, okay, or the type of trade to go for, okay, whenever we are trading. Okay, so the next asset is going to be crash 1000. Let's check it out right away. This is crash 1000. Crash 1000 had been on downtrend for long, but after getting to the support zone, it started buying, and of course it is still buying at the moment. So this is going to be more of a buying opportunity than a selling opportunity. So the next asset is going to be crash 500. Let's check it out right away. This is crash 500. It started from here, and of course it has gotten to this resistance or was unable to break out above it, so it started selling right from there. Okay, so this is going to be giving us more of a selling opportunity, except if it's unable to break out from this support zone, that is when it will buy more. Okay, but for now we should be expecting more of a selling opportunity than a buying opportunity. So the last asset is going to be volatility 75. This is volatility 75, and this had been more of downtrend than an uptrend, but it got to this support zone, was unable to break out below it, and it's trying to pull back up right from there. Okay, so we should expect more of a buying opportunity than a selling opportunity, except if it's unable to break out above the resistance zone. That is when it will keep on selling. Okay, so these are all that we are able to come up with tonight. All you just need to do is just for you to understand every part of the analysis and apply them carefully whenever you are trading. For those of you who are here to perfect your trading skill, kindly go back to the channel, watch my training videos, make sure you understand every part of the trading strategies, and of course apply them carefully on your demo account before you try them out on your real account. Okay, so I will be stopping right here. Remember, this is coming to you called Qora Digital Cash. Watch out for my next video. Until then, God bless.